Hi, and welcome to another episode of the Computer Science Made Easy podcast, where we ignite your passion for computer science and decode the secret of programming. I am glad you could stop by for today's episode. One of the common questions students ask is, how to learn programming and which programming language should I learn first? With hundreds of programming languages out there, this is not surprising. Learning programming languages can be a valuable and rewarding skill, and there are many different ways to approach this process. Here I share 5 tips on how to learn programming languages and the best programming language to start with. The first step in learning programming language is to choose a language to learn. There are many different programming languages available, each with its own strengths and uses. Some popular languages include Python, Java, C++, and JavaScript. Choose a language that aligns with your goals and interests. Experiment with different languages to find one you truly enjoy learning. The reason there are so many programming languages is because they cater to different applications and domains. Programming languages have specialized roles. Some excel in business applications, while others power scientific and engineering tasks. Still others, like those used for websites, build the infrastructure of the internet. Once you have decided on the language, the second step is to find resources to learn from. There are many different resources available to help you learn programming languages, including online tutorials, books, and video courses. Consider your learning style and preferences when choosing which resources to use, and don't be afraid to try out multiple resources to see which ones work best for you. One of the best sources for free resources is YouTube, but many universities like MIT, Harvard, the Open University, etc., offer free and in-depth courses. You could also consider some excellent courses on Udemy and Udacity. Step 3 is to always start with the basics. When learning a programming language, it's important to start with the basics and build your knowledge gradually. This will help you develop a strong foundation of skills and understanding, and will make it easier to tackle more advanced topics as you progress. Step 4 is practice, practice, and more practice. The key to mastering a programming language is to practice regularly. This can involve working through tutorials and examples, writing your own code, or working on projects that challenge you and help you develop your skills. For step 5, I suggest you join a community. Learning to program can be a solitary pursuit, but it can also be incredibly rewarding to join a community of other learners and experienced programmers. This can provide support, motivation, and opportunities to learn from others, and can help you stay engaged and motivated as you progress in your learning. As for which programming language to start with, it ultimately depends on your goals and interests. Some popular languages to start with include Python, which is widely used for data analysis and machine learning, and JavaScript, which is commonly used for web development. However, other languages such as Java or C++ may also be good options, depending on your specific interests and goals. There are many common features between various programming languages, and I discuss these common features in another podcast. So, learning programming languages can be a valuable and rewarding skill, and there are many different ways to approach this process. By choosing a language to learn, finding resources to learn from, starting with the basics, practicing regularly, and joining a community, you can learn programming languages and develop the skills and knowledge you need to succeed in this field. Thanks for tuning into this podcast. Until next time, keep your algorithms optimized and your dreams bug-free. All the best is learning programming.